Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. Interest rates remain the same for the first quarter of 2021. IR 2020-270, December 3rd, 2020, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service today announced that interest rates will remain the same for the calendar quarter beginning January 1st, 2021. The rates will be 3% overpayments, 2% in the case of corporation, 1/2 or 0.5% for the portion of a corporate overpayment exceeding $10,000, 3% for underpayments, and 5% for large corporate underpayments. Under the Internal Revenue Code, the rate of interest is determined on a quarterly basis. For taxpayers other than corporations, the overpayment and underpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 3 percentage points. Generally, in the case of corporation, the underpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 3 percentage points, and the overpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 2 percentage points. The rate for large corporate underpayments is the federal short-term rate plus 5 percentage points. The rate for the portion of a corporate overpayment of tax exceeding $10,000 for a taxable period in the federal short-term rate plus 1/2 or 0.5 of a percentage point. The interest rate announced today are computed from the federal short-term rate determined during October 2020 to take effect November 1st, 2020, based on daily compounding. Revenue Ruling 2020-28, there's a link to that revenue ruling here, announcing the rates of interest. It's attached and will appear in Internal Revenue Bullet 2020-52, dated December 21st, 2020. There's a link to that revenue ruling here. There'll be a link to this in the description.